Hi, I'm Glenn. Let's talk fishing. In this round, we're talking fly fishing, but in particular, this piece right here. This is the tippet ring. And what this does for you is makes it a little bit easier to switch out your tippet. That's that section, the thin section, the small section that helps you turn over your fly because it's got a thinner diameter than the rest of your line. So big tip that I would say when you do use tippet rings is how you actually tie them on to your leader and the tippet. Don't take the tippet ring off the swivel that it comes with, little snap swivel. Instead, tie your line onto the thing that's closest to the opening, tie it on there, and then at that point take it off and tie in the 6-pound test. So if you try taking it off now and try tying it, it's going to be very tough to tie it on there. So keep it on the swivel when you tie it. Okay, so there it is. I've got the tippet ring attached to the 15-pound mono, and I still have the tag end, and you can see I can take it off the swivel no problem. So at this point you'll take it off the swivel and then attach the 6-pound test. So it's off the swivel now. I still have the tag end, and I kind of like leaving the tag end on there until I get the 6-pound test on there, and then we'll clean it up. So there it is. Got an improved clinch knot is what I used to attach the 15-pound test to the tippet ring, and then I used a tri-lean knot on the 6-pound test, and it tends to hold better. I'll clean this up, and you can do again some of that UV style glue or super glue just to make it more friendly to any obstructions getting on there and clobbering your line, but I'll tend to just cut it and leave it as is. And so I highly recommend getting one of these tippet rings. You can go old school and maybe tie in a blood knot or barrel knot, but then you'll be snipping away at your fly leader. And well, I kind of like being able to switch out tippets as needed, especially as they shorten throughout the day as I'm fly fishing.